All right, glad to have you back. Our game's on Tuesday here in the arena at 2 p.m. It's the Philippine Army going up against Ateneo de Manila. And it's going to be a 4 p.m. match. Following that, so we advise you, or we always suggest that you come in to the arena and watch the games live. It's really different, yeah.
You know, it's a beautiful place. It has been the home of the Shakey's B-League, the home of volleyball here in the Philippines. And ito nga, get to know the girls more. See them live.
Well, we've got a good-sized crowd this afternoon.
On a Sunday afternoon.
And they have really seen...
This is something kasi new to them.
Yeah.
Even if yung matatagal lang nanonood ng V-League, alam mo, tuwan-tuwa sila talaga na bago no? Bago, kumbaga, new flavor.
Exactly. And talking about mga nanonood ng Shakey's V-League, did you know that you can tell your family and your friends abroad that we can be seen at the GMA Live TV?
Yeah,
so, yung mga...
dahil dyan, I want to say hi to the David family in Los Angeles and the Basa family.
Ako dyan ako lumaki, dyan sa North America.
Wow! Wow!
Dyan sa amin.
And ang mga Martinez family dyan sa Las Vegas.
Ang dami niyan.
Yeah, pwede na natin sila mag-hello-hello tayo sa kanila ngayon.
Exactly. And if you tell them, and they might be surprised that, you know, Philippine volleyball is what they're gonna see.
Yes. This big now in the Philippines and has grown.
That's right. And not only North America, but also in Europe and the Middle East. So we are now seen at the GMA, or you can watch us at GMA Live TV. Please tell your friends and family so that they get to see how volleyball is played right now in our country. Oh, Bautista!
Each stick didn't work for her. Well, alam mo, si Mana, sinasabi natin, another all-around player. And here are the numbers for her. Attack points, 2 already. Serve, 1 ace. Dig, 4.
Nice.
Wala pang excellent sets doon,
Wala pa yun talaga trabaho niya.
niya.
Kumbaga, mga bonus na lang yon from Wendy.
That's how all-around she is.
Suzanne Roses, her squad is up by 3. They are up by 2 sets, and
that serve again.
They only need to win this one to close out the Air Force.
Free ball, running hit, Mick. Just so smart on that last move.
Just waited for the block. She knew she wasn't in a good spot.
Just looking at the fingers of the blockers and just pushed the ball, taking the point with that push.
Suzanne again, up to serve. Another ace for Suzanne Roses.
Kota na, dami na ha.
And Suzanne Roses has also won MVP honors.
And has been a guest player for several teams. Ibig sabihin lang na naman pag palagi ka nakukuha ang guest player at iba-iba ang nilaruan mo. Ibig sabihin, madali kang dalhin. You blend into any kind of, say, team, madali coachable ka, di ba?
Kung ano yung sinusunod na ng mga teams na, let's say, patterns or you easily can adapt.
You easily blend in. Well, you know, Navy, the Philippine Navy really has an all-around game. Even Bautista has already 4 attack points. And in defense has been playing really well, along with Cruzada also 5 attack points and 4 digs.
And now, it's just like that. Talaga naman, humataw na tong Philippine Navy. They're up by 8, 16 to 8.